So this is sound test. Do you want to take this? No. You have to come here. I can't go over there. And just hold it right here, as if you were actually going to be speaking into it. And then we'll sit here and carry on a dorky-ass conversation.
A dorky-ass conversation, so then I should stop chewing is what you're telling me.
You know, I
Like,
really
please
don't want to hear
chew in my
that.
ear.
Or I will wake you up with a soggy, spit-covered finger in your ear.
Okay,
That's
so
gross.
out of curiosity, why is it that whenever I do something stupid, I get threatened with fart in my mouth or shit in my pillow?
Poop on the pillow, yeah.
Or anything like that, but she gets wet willy.
But I like to touch her when she's not wearing clothes.
Look, no. Still, that is unfair and actually sexist. You are sexist.
You saying you couldn't handle it?
Confused.
Manly retribution? You can't handle manly
You
retribution?
know what? No, I can handle it, but I would prefer...
Rhonda, you need to talk into that.
Well, you guys are sitting here having this whole conversation. I'm just standing here going, all right, so they're doing that. This is what we're doing now.
I demand fair and equal punishment.
Fine, I will poop on your pillow and give you a wet willy.
There you go.
Wait.
I will fart in your mouth and then go,
Oh, now it's sticky hair.
Zachary!